I think I just found the most incredible camping spot in all of Ireland. This is literally the Dingle Way, so anyone who will walk past here in the morning will just see that. I'm going to be waking up to this. Like, excuse me? Like, what? Oh, I'm so burnt, and I'm such a mess. My shoulders are in so much pain, but it is so worth it. I'm now packed up. It's time to leave. Second day. I slept really well, like too well, which is amazing. This place was kind of a dream. I have all my shit here, and I'm actually proud because I am managing to fit everything in there before I had that extra bag, which is really annoying. And I do have the tent, which I have to carry, but that's fine. This stuff is almost dry. There's actually horses right here. I woke up with a horse standing right there. Also, be aware when you're collecting plants, because they can kill you. I thought I was drinking mugwort tea. Turns out it was buttercup leaves, and they're poisonous. I had one sip. If I had drunk that cup, I'd probably be dead right now. I'm so dead. I just set up camp like next to a tourist site. This is definitely illegal. I mean, this is a pretty epic view, but there's like a construction site right behind me. I started wearing this now because we're about to ascend into the mountains and it is getting super windy, and also it'll help the sunburn. That's what my campsite was, next to this construction site. So like, the views are amazing, but not really the best spot. And then I just walked all around here, and now I'm here. Third day, it's supposed to be the hardest. It is getting windy and raining, like, I'm expecting it to rain any minute, to be honest. I'm kind of afraid that we're gonna go into, like, straight into the clouds. I hope it'll, like, make its way around, but I'll find out sooner or later. Oh, very close. I have not had breakfast because I just wanted to get out of there. They were, like, starting construction and I just felt really weird. So I just packed up and left, but it doesn't seem like there's a good spot here anyway. So I'm probably gonna have to hike for like 2 or 3 hours, go over the mountains, and then hopefully on the other side, life will be better. And as I said, we are directly ascending the mountain. But it still hasn't rained. I don't know if I could have done 8 days, especially with camping. 5 days, I feel like right now is the max. It is putting a toll on my body.
Directly on the roof, look out for an agam stone. This particular stone shows a Greek cross and an inscription in the So,
Okay.
so if you see any rocks that look special,
You can actually see the wind. Like,
yeah, it's just, I'm scared for your camera though.
oh, it's fine. It's falling down all the place.
I know, this phone is brand new and I already scratched the lens on it.
I don't think there's a good day for this.
Oh, you could have done the last one. Didn't see the need. Yeah, I didn't see the need to. You could. Yeah, that's good.
Not me walking right past this sign, but I love it. I'm lost for words. I found my camping site. I was just like stumbling around in open fields, hoping for a nice place. Holy shit, let me show you. It looks so much like the first day camp when you're doing the Wicklow Way. I filmed that whole section as well, and it very much reminds me of that. But holy shit. And the road is just like 200 meters away. Like, it's perfect. It is starting to rain and I just finished dinner, and it's like the best feeling in the world to have found this spot after like the most difficult day of hiking, especially after last night being a really awkward spot. This just feels like magic. And this food is so good, and I have 2 bowls of it. I have stuff to make nettle tea. Life is good, guys. Life is good. I mean, look at this. Walking this beach for 2.5 hours and we're not even done yet. It's so windy. It's actually cold, like I'm actually shivering, but we're almost done at the end of this beach and then going to head into the next beach, next bay, hopefully less windy. I don't know what I've been doing. I've been trying to scout for a campsite for the past like 1.5 hours, and I've become so desperate that I went through someone's field, through like shrubs and bushes, across this river to get to this spot. I set up tent, but I feel like shit because it's clearly like a sheep meadow, and it's definitely someone who owns it, and it just feels awkward. There's like prickly needles everywhere, so this is not ideal. Dinner is finally done. Just having the penne with lentils. I am so done. I don't think I've ever been this empty and overraged that I just need to sleep. Like, I'm ready to go to bed. I'm not going out there anymore. Oh my god. How did I get here? I hope I won't be escorted out in the middle of the night, but might be woken up by sheep. It is now 5:30 a.m. and I could not sleep, so I just headed out there because I want to get out of here. Like, I could have just camped here, and instead I decided to go through here over that mural and over the river because I'm crazy. But it's fine. We survived. So much pain. My feet are hurting so badly. They're bleeding everywhere. This path is just getting more difficult, and it's still for like 25 kilometers until I'm back at Tralee. It's also 7 a.m. This is definitely a low point. I thought I had low points. This is a low point. And I'm not able to make it back. So, in the next village, which is called Camp, I'm gonna get a bus back to Tralee. I should have done this much earlier. Like, my feet were actually, like, I do have a triple fracture on my right leg. Like, I can't just pretend like it's not there. Or, like, I don't have blisters and a crooked ankle. Like even where I stayed last night, it was like, why did I do that? I had this vision in my head of this place next to the river, and I had to get there. And I literally walked through mud, like an actual swamp. And I had stinging needle all over my leg. Like, why did I not just get a taxi and go back, or like find a hostel? I don't know, something. I am quite stubborn, which I'm learning. And this is like my free time. Like, no one's forcing me to be here. Oh. And meanwhile, it's so beautiful that I can't appreciate it because I'm just so stuck in my own little world. And it's funny because 2 days ago, I felt like the greatest bliss. I was actually crying in my tent from happiness because I'd found this beautiful spot and everything made sense, and the way nature made me feel with this beautiful healing force, which sounds so stupid, but it's true. That's what it feels like. And I felt like my identity didn't matter. Like, it was all just a construct, which it is. But you realize that when you're in nature, it's just like, I don't care what my hair looks like. I don't care what I appear to be. I'm just there, and I'm who I am, and I'm more like my childlike version. There's a bug there. And that's beautiful, and I felt that, and I realized that. I'm hoping to take some part of that with me. But then the next day, and still now, it's like that never happened. I'm just feeling this clog of and I just want to go home so bad. In that time, I couldn't think about anything else but a bed. And for that, I was grateful, because you realize how much our everyday life is built around comfort, and we don't realize how insanely comfortable our lives are. And that is partly the problem of why we're in this entire crisis, is because we're so obsessed with comfort. And so I think it's good to like take a step back and kind of suffer for a night in a tent once in a while. You have the bed. That's all that matters. Anyway, that was my Dingle vlog, Dingle way. I don't think I have the energy to film anything more. I just want to go back so bad. So I totally recommend. It's a roller coaster. It's a fucking roller coaster. Would I do it again? I'm not sure. I'll be honest with you. It is beautiful. I've had amazing weather as well. Like, imagine it was raining. It's hard. It is a hard one. It's beautiful. This place, this whole peninsula is magical. I'm just in a state right now where I can't think of it objectively. So yeah. That's my little ramble. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're appreciating the things you have in your life. And if you don't, maybe go. Welcome. I've never wanted a bed so badly.